Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's doing this, but they want to do this with these colors. Really, really easy. If you go to your basic shapes or common shapes, depending on which version of Corel you have, and you hold down your control button, we're going to do it both ways, just kind of show you. So I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to change the color since I've already done that one. I'm going to make a duplicate of that. Then I'm going to make that one yellow. Now I'm going to go to the effects docker, blend. I'm going to blend it 200 times, which should be plenty. And then I'm going to go right here to blend on new path. And then go to blend to full path. And you get that. Now to make it start down here, let's just back up. And what we need to do is take this shape. And if you look, it is a perfect shape on layer 1. We're going to go to object and convert it to a curve. And then when we do that, there will be nodes. If we select this node and right click and break it apart, you can see now that they're separated. So now we can kind of separate them out a little bit. We'll use the same two colors. We'll go apply, blend a new path, blend along full path, and you get that right there. Pretty cool. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.